Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable screensaver on Chromebook. First, you'll need to go down to the bottom right hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see the time. Then you're going to tap on the settings cog right here. Next, you're going to tap on personalization in the left hand column. Then you'll see screensaver and you're going to tap on that, and at the moment you can see that mine is off. You'll simply tap right here to toggle it on. After you have turned it on, you can either select Google Photos or you can tap on Art Gallery right here and you'll see some preloaded photos that you can use. And that's it. When your screen is idle, it shows photos, time, weather, and media info. Enabling screensaver will keep your display on while charging. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to enable screensaver on your Chromebook.